How's it going? This is Darren Johnson, strongmoneyplan.com. Today's video, I'm going to talk about how other people are doing in Copy Pro Traders. You've seen some videos from me showing you my results, and I want to show you what how other people are doing and what their results are. Well, before I do that, let's do a quick check-in on my results so that you can see what my situation is. So far, profits. I am up $3,063.25 since I started, and I started back in March. Go all the way back to the bottom. You can see I started March 25th. It looks like, right? Okay. These yellow trades, here are open trades that I'm in currently. But I wanted to show you how I did. Well, how I've been doing the last 3 days, just so you can get a snapshot. So far today is the 7th of May, and you can see here that I'm up $66.59. Average trade is $33.29 profit that's just today. Like I said before, I've got some open trades, but let's look at yesterday the 5th, and then yesterday the 6th, and then the 5th. So yesterday, which was the 6th, we were up I'm up $108.34 for an average trade of $15.48 per trade. And now let's look at the 5th. The 5th was a pretty big day for me. So let's see how much I made there. Okay, so we'll stop there, and then that's a total of $443.96 in Copy Pro Traders, with an average of $29.60. You see, and that's with taking a loss here at the very end. I took a $25 hit, and I still came out with $443.96 in profit. So Copy Pro Traders is the real deal. I am so happy with this program. I've been online for several years. I've been in the crypto space since 2015, and I've been victim of a lot of programs that promised to pay and then ran off with our money. What's different about Copy Pro Traders is I'm in control of all my money, all my assets 100% of the time. Copy Pro Traders does not touch my money. They do not touch my cryptocurrency. All they do is send an API signal into my Kraken exchange, and that API signal allows my professional trader to query my account to make sure I have enough money for the trade, and then execute those trades on my behalf. They do not have the ability to pull money out of my account or to put money into my account. So I'm 100% in control of my assets and my money at all times. And once you set it up, it can be set it and forget it if you want it to be. I personally like to take a little bit more of a hands-on approach. I don't necessarily go in and manually trade because I let the professional traders do that. But what I will do is I will track each one of the trades just to make sure that I'm profitable, that everything is going as it should, and it's kind of cool to see how much money I make per day. All right, so that's me. Now let's jump into some other people and see what their experiences are like. So this is the back office of Copy Pro Traders Facebook group, and Team Marcus. Marcus is one of our professional traders, and let's see what people have to say about his results. You see there's 86 comments. This gentleman here is giving a happy emoji, smashing it, count me in. I paid my monthly subscription on 5/4. Today I am up $101. Big Rough is killing it. This guy is checking in that he's on Team Marcus. Here, that's me here. Marcus has given us some great returns, grateful. So happy with Marcus. This is mine. I just made a comment on my success on the 5th, which I was very happy with that return. Yes. The market is all green today, so all open trades are being closed. Yeah. You can see people are very happy. Way to go, Marcus. You're doing an amazing job for us. Marcus is killing it. Marcus is killing it big time. Some people asking questions about some trades that they're in. Most of the time, these are new people who are just kind of getting used to the system. Let's see what else we have. Go Marcus. Totally team Marcus. Is this Marcus right here? Yeah, this is Marcus. Giving some feedback to us. It's kind of cool. Fire, let's go. So as you can see, people are quite pleased with how things are going with Marcus. Let's see if I can get a little bit more information. People asking their questions. I am loving Copy Pro Traders. Others ask me, what is the minimum amount can I start with? Your thoughts. So people having a good experience with Copy Pro Traders. You know what I mean? So somebody posting their results here. Look at this screen. These are profit numbers. All right, 2% profit, lost 1.36%. Gain 3.7, 3.12 gain, 2.35% gain, 4.42% gain, 6.97% gain, 23% gain, 3% gain, 5% gain, 3%, 3.73, 9.81. You know, these are real results. These are real people inside of Copy Pro Traders that are benefiting from the expertise of our professional traders. All right. It's not just me, so I wanted to show other people's results. Look at this, 30%, 24%. Copy Pro Traders is on fire. All right, and then this is a great place for people to ask their questions and get some feedback, get some help. You know, so yeah, I don't know what else to show you. Look at this. Marcus is using up these 20 trades. I think I've set to 24 trades. So, you know, our traders are very active whenever the market dictates that they can be active. They don't take trades just for the sake of taking trades because they have skin in the game too. They're trading their own money as well. So they're only going to take trades that they're confident that they're going to be able to be profitable on. So that's reassuring as well. And I think that's a big part of why we're all seeing such great success. And people wanting to know how much they should set their trade amount for. Other people offering feedback. Let's see. And we have a series of traders, right? So you can decide who you feel most comfortable being with. My recommendation is that you give each trader at least 2 to 3 months to learn their trading style before you jump to someone else. And then that way you can make more of an informed decision. Let's see, what is this? People testing out PayPal to see how they can put money into their Kraken account. I actually made a video about how you can do that if you're interested. It's above my head, probably here or here somewhere. And you can check that video out if you want to fund your Kraken account, you know, right out the gate from your own personal checking account. Look at this, is funny. This is how I see Copy Pro Traders. Copy Pro Traders has invited us to their cookout. Marcus Ruffin is the chef cook, and right now trades he is cooking is hotter than fish grease. Yeah, respect to all the traders. Who was with me? Team Clarence. Let's see what Clarence is another one of our traders. So let's see what people's experiences are with Clarence. Got 44 comments here. Let's jump in. Look at this. He is killing it. We switched to him a week ago, and my husband's account is finally seeing profits, and mine is on fire. I've gained $1,000 this week. Right now I'm at 575. I had it down to 430 when I started with him. Okay, so that's how much he's using per trade. Jumped on board waiting for some action. Changed to clearance on the 3rd of May due to my account being stuck in no trades was coming through. The change of traders seemed to do the trick. $57 up in less than 2 days. Happy with that. He is the man. Made small 4% in the next two. Oh, what is that? Negative 4% in the next two. Positive 19% and positive 8%. Need to open second bank account soon. First one starting to be full. Darn tootin'. Thumbs up. Yes. Yes. People are loving what Clarence is doing. People are loving what Marcus is doing. And those are my two favorite traders, in case you're wondering. He is on fire. Yes, yes. High five. Looks like you're on track now. To the moon with Clarence. Yep, Team Clarence. He is on fire. He is killing it. So our traders are no joke. So if you want to jump in and be able to say these comments in the Facebook group yourself and benefit from some growing your money, you know, I would really give a good hard look at what we're doing over at Copy Pro Traders. Go to strongmoneyplan.com and get that information. As we say, get under the spout where the information comes out. If you click on that website, you're going to learn all about Copy Pro Traders. You're going to also learn about, you're going to have access to my step-by-step training. So get you going fast. I have a fast start training for you back there. And I've got a few bonuses, and I also will give you an opportunity to, download my own personal cryptocurrency trading log. If you want to track all your trades the way I do back here, so you can see what your numbers are. I'm willing to give you my cryptocurrency trading log if you go to strongmoneyplan.com and join through that link. All right. And, yeah, let's just see a couple of more and then I'll close this video. Yep. Last 3 days, nearly $300 profit. Look at this, $1,500, but I've been with Copy Pro Traders for a month and a half. I guess that's what that means. With clearance when my account balance was $2,000 from the 1st of May. Okay, so this is a clarifying post. I started with $1,500 with other trader and $170 per trade. Then the beginning of the month, I moved to clearance and set up to $100 per trade. Okay. Look at this. Yes. Yes, me too. My account is almost doubled. Let's go. Okay, people also, and this is a great place to check in to make sure that you're getting your trades, okay? But as Clarence and as Marcus say, don't worry about trades. Trades are always happening inside of Copy Pro Copy Pro Trader. So even if you miss a trade, it's no big deal. They're like buses. There's always another one coming down the road. Okay. And, they all seem to be trading very well. Most of the trades have been profitable. I showed you a couple of losses, but you can see that's after like trade after trade after trade of green, you know, a lot of green and very little loss. So it's well worth it. I mean, you would trade $25 for 120 every day, wouldn't you? If I handed you $125 and I only took 25 back from you, you'd want to do that over and over and over and over again. Well, that's kind of what we got going on in Copy Pro Traders. All right, so I'm going to close this video with this gentleman waving his hand, me. If you want more information, click the link below this video. Also, or you can go to strongmoneyplan.com. Feel free to leave comments below this video if you have any questions. Also, like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be uploading information constantly about what's going on in Copy Pro Traders. I'm also going to be uploading educational information on Copy Pro Traders. I answer a lot of questions that people have in video form, so it'll be like a one-stop shop for you to get all the information you need to make a very well informed decision about Copy Pro Traders. And then once you make that decision to come on board, you'll also have additional training and your questions answered in one place on my channel, strongmoneyplan.com, and my Strong Money Plan channel, just for you, so that you can have all the information you need. And if you have questions about anything, put it in the comments and I'll make a video about it. Okay. So this is Darren Johnson wrapping up this video, strongmoneyplan.com. I'll see you on the inside. Thank you and have a great day.